Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Enyoma. If you're new here, I do product and lifestyle reviews, and this quick video is going to be about Rakuten. Now, in my last review, I had said that I was going to make my next video about my 10-year lock-anniversary, but because Black Friday and Cyber Monday are almost upon us, I decided to share something that has been very helpful with my shopping experience. So if you would like to get $40 cash back, then watch till the end of this video and I will share my link with you. This video is about Rakuten, as I said, and Rakuten is basically a discount shopping portal is how I would describe it. So think of stores like Walmart and Target and Wayfair and, well, Amazon, you can do that, but they don't offer coupons through Rakuten. But huge stores, Sephora, Ulta, a lot of stores are listed on Rakuten's platform and they offer cashback. So for example, yesterday I ordered my groceries through Instacart, and of course you can order your groceries regularly, but if you just go through Rakuten, you'll actually get cashback if you order through Rakuten using their Instacart, little connection. And it's so easy. All these things usually sound complicated when we're talking about it, but literally Rakuten has an app. You just search for the store. They will tell you how much cashback you're getting and they will link you right to the store. And when you're done shopping, it'll be like, congratulations, you got cashback. And I can show you some of the checks that I've gotten, and you don't have to wait to get a check mailed to you. You can get a check directly through like PayPal. So it's pretty great. I've been using it for about a year now, pretty obsessed with it. Before I shop for anything, I check on Rakuten, even if it's like travel, or a huge one for me is Groupon. I use Groupon a lot, and I have Groupon Select, which offers me even more discounted prices, but then I go through Rakuten and I get a discount on the already discounted price. So it's really great, and I think that Rakuten is best for shopping for anything that you use regularly, right? So I think when you're talking about cashback, it can sometimes sound so enticing that it encourages you to overshop, which I don't recommend. Obviously, I think that you should only shop for things that you use regularly, or things that you truly need, or things that you truly want, right? That you're not going to regret buying later. Still working on that last part. But this Black Friday and Cyber Monday coming up, I would recommend to you that you check out through Rakuten, of course, Skillshare, Coursera, Udemy, Masterclass, edX, whichever one you want to use to learn anything this coming year. They have huge discounts. I think Skillshare is offering 40% off for the first year of membership. I love using Udemy, and they have some courses that usually are priced at the $200 range. Right now, they're down to like $10 or $15. But if you go through Rakuten, you get a discount, not a discount, excuse me, you get cashback on the $15 and on the $10. So I think it's worth it to go through Rakuten on these platforms, because for the most part, all of them are offering cash back right now. One of them is currently offering 7.5% cash back. So definitely worth it to check it out and gift yourself the gift of learning this season and see what new knowledge you grow and sprout, right? Who knows? You might be the next Mark Bezos, or is his name Mark Bezos? Mark Bezos? Wow. Mark Zuckerberg. Goodness. I just mixed 2 billionaires in my head. This video is a mess. Sorry guys, I'm about to go to work. But I just really wanted to share with you guys because I've been using Rakuten for a while and I really love it. So if you would like to try Rakuten and you want to get some cash back, then use my link below. Once you make your first purchase of $40, which is pretty easy to do, I'm about to spend $40 on the courses that I'm going to purchase on Udemy, then you get $40 back and I get $40 back too. So please help me help you, right? So it's great. Basically, I just get cash back through Rakuten, and I have credit cards that also offer me cash back or miles. So I feel like I'm just getting double cash back for purchasing things that I use every day for the most part. Oh, also, if you like to just basically search for something that you want to buy and you're not sure what store you want to buy it from yet, then if you just type in, say for example, you want a Ninja air fryer, you type in Ninja air fryer in Rakuten and it'll pull up stores that carry it, and it'll also show you how much cash back each of those stores are offering so that you can make whatever decision works best for your budget. So that's something great, right? So you don't necessarily have to search for the store. You can just search for the product that you're trying to purchase. So highly recommend it. And just to wrap this all up, once again, the referral link is below. Use it, spend $40, you will get $40 back. So basically even out to zero. And then I will also get $40 to spend as having been the one to refer you. And I would really appreciate you if you use my link. Thank you so much. And I will catch you on my next videos, and happy holidays. Bye.